We have a video stream with Campus Zacatecas, where the next professors will present. They are Eduardo López de Lara Díaz and Luis Eduardo Luevano Belmonte. They're going to speak about the telepresent robot, or Professor Avatar. I don't know if the stream is ready. Eduardo, go ahead. Tell us a little about it. Thank you and good afternoon. Greetings to all the professors that follow us in the 31 campuses, and a sincere thank you for giving us your time. My name is Eduardo López de Lara. I have 25 years of teaching experience, primarily in the business area. I formed a team with my friend Luis Eduardo Luevano Belmonte, otherwise known as Professor Avatar, which will join us in a moment. In this talk, we want to share our experience in the use of a telepresent mobile device used to impart classes at a college level. We're pioneers in this activity at a global level. We haven't found documented evidence of a similar account. But why use a robot? What does a robot do? The robot allows the professor a physical presence, bidirectional video and voice, and autonomous movements controlled from any part of the world. Hello, my name is Eduardo Luevano, and I'm going to talk about the experience we've had throughout this project, which has been rather gratifying. We've had a rather benevolent acceptance from the students. We've had several formal sessions, like my colleague mentioned. We've had sessions from Campus Aguascalientes, San Luis Potosí, Campus Monterrey, in fact, from Guatemala City, and well, the perception from the students has been rather good. Of course, the first time is rather disturbing to see a robot instead of a teacher come in to teach, and a cyber professor does cause some disturbance among the students. The first session is a little difficult, pictures for Facebook and whatnot, but after that, the class evolves in a very natural way. The students start adopting the system, and Professor Avatar is integrated just as if the professor was physically present. I'll skip ahead to some of the questions that come up. In classes with theoretical content, there's no problem. However, in classes like ours in which numeric content is important, what do? Well, we connect on the computer that is in the classroom and we control the projector in order to present slides, PowerPoints, or through our iPads, and the students can see what we're writing, and therefore we're able to follow numeric exercises, and obviously we can interact through the robot or Professor Avatar. Well, we've uploaded a video to YouTube, which has allowed us to make our project known and receive feedback and proposals from other universities. Concretely, American universities have replicated our project, and we're in talks with the Uruguayan Ministry of Education, who is interested in taking Professor Avatar to rural areas. Specifically, the most attractive project comes from a Colombian foundation that has the intention to take Professor Avatar to the Colombian jungle region, in which the paramilitary group FARC is situated, and which, for obvious reasons, no one wants to go give classes there. So we want to send Professor Avatar so that it serves as a bridge that students can distance themselves from the drug trafficking and guerrillas, and the schools which are currently closed can reopen. Well, what's next? Where are we going with this project? We want to complement it with holographic projections. We have a holographic display which is behind me. This display is used at the library. We have it available for student use. Here we can see our colleague, Dr. Patti Salinas, in a holographic form giving an explanation. And the idea is for classes to be recorded and reproduced in this type of displays so that the students can see the professor in a holographic form and can feel his physical presence.